Guys, starting a small business can be a great way to turn your passions and skills into a successful career and make money online. If you're a beginner, it's important to choose a business that matches your strengths, skills, and interests. Today, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 of the best small business ideas for beginners where you can begin making money online. Number one is online tutoring or teaching service. This has everything to do with the increase and popularity of online education and mentoring, and there is such a growing demand for online tutors and teachers. You can offer your services to students of all ages, starting at elementary school to college and in many subjects. If you prefer, you could specialize in a particular subject of your choice or demographic. It could be a test preparation or even English as a second language, and provide guidance and support to start in the online tutoring or teaching space. You should have experience in your chosen subject. You will, of course, also need a computer, internet connection, and a video conferencing tool such as Zoom or Google. Next, you will want to market your services, and to do so, you start by creating a website, social media profiles, and online ads. Then again, you could also reach out to local schools and universities to offer your services to their students. Number two is pet sitting. Pet sitting is such a great way to get started in the world of small business. If you love animals, then this one is for you. You can set up a pet sitting business in your area, offering pet owners a convenient way to take care of their pet while they're away. You can also offer to do pet sitting in customers' homes and take their dogs out for walks. So having some knowledge about pet care and being able to provide a safe and comfortable environment for the pet would be just great. Number three is social media management for small businesses. And I emphasize small businesses because there are many small businesses out there struggling with the job of managing their social media presence effectively. So, as a social media manager, your job is to help small businesses create and manage their social media strategy, their plans, and also to create content as well as engaging with their audience. If, by any chance, you have not already done so, then you should familiarize yourself with tools such as Hootsuite, Canva, and Google Analytics. You could also reach out to local small businesses and offer your services. Number four is virtual event planning and coordination. Because there is such a shift to virtual events, there is a growing need for people to plan and coordinate these events. This could be anything from webinars and conferences to virtual product launches and networking events. Ideally, you should have good organizational skills, are created, and have a good understanding of virtual event platforms like Zoom, GoToWebinar, and WebEx. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with tools like Canva and Hootsuite. So, to market your services, you could create a website, social media profiles, and online ads. It's a good idea also to reach out to companies that regularly host events and offer your service. You are then able to create memorable events for your client. Guys, you want to make sure you stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of these easy steps available to you so you can start making money online. So stay right there and I will be right back. What's going on, guys? I am Lorna Recommend Money Winners. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. I'm really excited to share with you these easy business ideas for small business so you can start making money online straight away. Now then, do me a huge favor and please consider subscribing to this channel and hit that thumbs up button, which will help me enormously with the YouTube algorithm and others finding my content. I really appreciate it. So, whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated on making things happen. Our mission is to build a community of people who are looking to make money together online, prosper, be successful, and win big. Also, leave a comment letting me know know how you're getting on with my recommendation. Now then, let's dive right back into this video on these easy small business ideas that are highly profitable, and you can begin your journey of making money online that will also generate passive income. Number 5 is food delivery service. Food delivery apps are so popular and easily accessible. There is such a growing demand for businesses that can deliver food to customers. It's also a good idea for you to find a good location and build a team of delivery drivers. You should have in mind starting your food delivery business that partners with local restaurants. However, if you have experience in the food or restaurant business, then you could consider starting your own business and delivery service. Number 6 is drop shipping e-commerce store. Now then, drop shipping is a small business model to start out with, and where you can sell product online and you don't even need to hold any inventory. Instead, you partner with your chosen supplier who then sends your product directly to your customers. This is great because it's a low-cost way to start an e-commerce business because you don't need to invest in any inventory upfront. You simply set up an e-commerce platform such as Shopify or X. You then market your service on your social media profiles such as Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Number 7 is home cleaning and organization service. Many people struggle to find time to clean their homes and be organized. So this is where you come in as a home cleaning and organization person, because you can help them declutter and keep their living spaces clean and tidy. It would be good for you to have your own vehicle and transportation. You could also reach out to local estate agents and offer them your services to help them prepare and get homes ready for presentation to people looking to buy or rent. Number 8 is online personal shopping and styling service. There is a large population of people who want to look their best but just don't have the time to shop clothes and accessories. So this is where you could step in as a personal shopper and stylist. You can help them create a wardrobe that suits their style and budget, and even do virtual styling sessions. Now then, to start an online personal shopping and styling service, you will need to have a good understanding of fashion, styling, and possibly the latest trends. You should be familiar with e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Zalando. To market your services, why not start off using your own social media profiles such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Later on, you could transition to using online ads and creating a website. Number 9 is gardening. This one is for those of you who love gardening and have an understanding of plants and gardening technique. Gardening is such a great business idea as it can be relaxing and enjoyable. You can offer your services to homeowners who need help maintaining their gardens and keeping their plants healthy. Number 10, crafts is another great small business idea. You can offer your services to those who need help creating unique handmade items. This can include anything from woodworking and jewelry making to quilt, pottery, and painting. My bonus for you today is for you to put to good use your experience and skills as a personal trainer. Personal training is always in demand. So many people are wanting to become fit and healthy and need to be motivated to exercise to help with their weight control. You can offer your services to clients who need help getting into shape and reaching their fitness goals and to remain healthy. These then are just a few of the many small businesses that are great for beginners. The key, however, is to choose a business that you're passionate about and that matches your strengths and skills. So with the right approach and drive, you can build a successful and rewarding business. Guys, thanks again for stopping by. This is Lorna Recommend Money Winners, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button on the way out and leave me a comment. Bye for now.